That don't sound too good. So I've heard that a potential solution to engine noise is actually adding just a thicker oil than it calls for, or just adding Lucas oil treatment. So today I'm going to do both of those things and see if that fixes whatever knock or tick I have in this engine. In addition to the thicker oil, I'm also going to be running this heavy-duty Lucas oil stabilizer. Now, I'm not 100% sure if this stuff actually does anything, but I have noticed it helps in older cars, as it is advertised. I mean, it's not going to magically fix a mechanical problem, but it'll definitely help lubricate an already worn-out engine. So we're going to see if this can make that gnarly tick go away. Now, it doesn't really matter the order you pour these things in here, but this is basically just going to replace 1 quart of oil when you're doing your oil change. I already put the rest of the quart that I added to the oil filter in there, so this is going to be quart number 2, and this one calls for 4 quarts, so I'm going to throw 2 quarts on top of it and check where we're at. The reason I'm adding this now as a second quart is because the other 2 quarts of oil going on top of it's going to kind of help pre-mix things. Not sure how crucial that's going to be, but it just seems like a good idea to me, so I'm going to do it. So I got that whole thing of stabilizer in there. Now let's add 2 more quarts on top of that. And before I check the level, I'm going to go ahead and start it and let it run for half a sec, just to kind of get the stuff circulating. Go ahead and pull the dipstick, wipe it all the way off, and reinsert it. That looks full to me. It's a bit quieter now.
I wouldn't say it's gone, but
that's all that does. Well, that's all for this one, folks. If you guys enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Again, oil treatment's not going to fix a mechanical problem, but it can probably limp it along for a little bit longer. So, hope this video was helpful. Other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.